Hey guys, I hope you're doing well and staying safe. Today we'll be talking about absolute value. Let's see this on a number line. I'm going to draw a quick number line here. 0, and that was not a straight line, sorry about that. -10 and 10. The distance between 0 and 10 is 10. And the distance between -10 and 0 is also 10. In this case, you have to take the positive distance. And that's what absolute value is. We denote absolute value by representing it like this. So if I would say absolute value of 10 is equal to 10. And absolute value of -10 is also equal to 10, as shown here with the number line. So basically what it means, anything going within the brackets of absolute value will be positive. So even if it were -x, it'll be x, and if it were just absolute value of x, it'll still be positive x. It's the distance of n from 0. If we think about this algebraically, we can break it down and define it into a piecewise function. And so how that would be, absolute value of x is essentially if positive x, so if x is greater than 0 and -x, for x less than 0. And here I'm not saying that absolute value of x is -x. I'm saying that the absolute value of x will equal to the absolute value of -x, because they both will produce x. They'll give us the same number. So if I say the absolute value of -8 is 8, but so is the absolute value of 8. So that's what this piecewise represents right here. And you know, by this we can say that an absolute value can never be negative. So if you see something like this, you know this is wrong because an absolute value can never be negative. If it were something like that, that's true, that's correct, but this is wrong. So let's try an example together. Let's take an example that absolute value of x minus 4 is equal to 8. Now we know that it could be positive, inside here it could be positive and negative, but we don't know what x is. So what we're going to do is there's going to be two parts to this. This is going to be broken down into two parts. X minus 4 is equal to 8, and x minus 4 is equal to -8. Let's solve this one first. That means x is equal to 12. And the one on the right means that, oh, I wanted to change colors. Let's do that. X is equal to -4. As you can see, we have two answers here, and you should always check and plug them back in, and you'll see that they work. They both work. So if I plug back in 12, then what I get is 12. Let's change the color. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. Absolute value of 8 is equal to 8. And if I try this one right here, that was for there. If I try here, that I'm saying -4 minus 4 is equal to 8. The absolute value of -8 is equal to 8. Thanks for watching this lesson. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel Algebra Star or visit algebrastar.com. Once again, thanks and stay safe.